go the other way. We're gonna come over here, grab some of this delicious hot sauce, and just let it drip all the way down. And let's get the other side. Right after this, we go to the grill. Let's go ahead and flip them over. Make sure we get the second side grilled. Bring it on here. We have a little mix of cheddar and mozzarella all the way down. And a beautiful, freshly made pico de gallo. Cover it and let that cheese melt. About ready. Let's uncover it. And it is perfect. Let's go ahead and grab it off of the grill carefully. Don't leave any of them behind. Go ahead and slice this down the middle. Let's go ahead and get this excess cheese off quickly. Get that out the way. Grab our tortillas. Place them on here. And come back through. Place this right there. We take our second one, place it right on top, make it a double decker, and we close it up. Carefully, with love, we bring it over. Give it a little turn so we can finish closing it up. Like that. Close the other end like this, and we're gonna flip it all over. Come through with a little enchilada sauce and some cotija cheese all the way across. We grab this and we go on to the next step. We're gonna go ahead and take them and place them in our cups, in our glasses. They're gonna serve as holders. Now we're gonna take this homemade Mexican elote, street corn, call it what you want depending on where you're from. You can get the full recipe at chefclub.tv. We're gonna go ahead and fill them to the top, to the rim, just like that. And as soon as we get done, we're gonna go ahead and top them off with their lid. Last one, guys. That, push it all the way in. Beautiful. And we have these two toothpicks that are gonna help us skewer. That we're gonna drive right through the center, all the way down. And as you can see, it is coming out the bottom. We have this potato square here that's gonna help us so that they don't slip off. Just kind of stick it in there. It's a little tough, but that's the point. Next up, we're gonna roast them on the fire right here. We're gonna go ahead and place it over here with the rest and let them grill. Let's take this one that is ready. We dip it in our corn dog batter. Twist it around just a little bit. Bring it out. Cover it from head to toe, just like that. And then we place it. We're gonna sprinkle it with some bacon. That's right, a little bacon to go with it. Give it a little twist, and a little more bacon. Grab it, and we come into our hot oil. Careful. Grab it and dip it. All right, this looks about ready. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out carefully like this. Let that drip just a little, and we put it with the others right here. 1, 2, and the third one. Little finishing touch, some cilantro. Cut this open. So that we can keep on working on them. Not done yet. So now we come over here. Got a little brown sugar. And just go ahead and rub that. Get it nice and mixed. And we come over here. And we rub it on the outside. Get that buttery brown sugar flavor all around. And we do the same with this one. This, remove my gloves, bring this over here, and we have some cilantro rice that we prepared for you. Go ahead and place it inside. Just like that. Go ahead and push it in there. We want it to be nice and full. Press that in there nice and tight. Squeeze a little lime. We have cilantro lime rice. Take this and we move on. And simply lay them down across. Make sure that they overlap just a little bit right here, so they are connected when we're finished with it. Come back through and cross. We move on to our pork belly. Open that up beautifully. As you can see, I have previously sliced it open, and we're gonna flatten it. Right there, with a little salt and some brown sugar, and we rub it in all over. Okay, now you can go ahead and grab this, lift it up, and we lay it down on the bacon. Bacon on bacon. We're gonna go ahead and grab these, take them out of here, come over here, put them together like that, and onto our pork belly. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up using this, and we roll it. As we roll, we will take this plastic off, bring that back just a little, and roll again. We have a nice glaze prepared, which you can find the recipe chefclub.tv. Just to mention some of the ingredients, we have green onions, soy sauce, garlic, a little sriracha. This is looking and smelling wonderful. Now let's go to the oven. And stick around because the best is yet to come. Okay, y'all, we are back from the oven. I have some coleslaw, cherries, and we're gonna top this off with a little parsley. Obviously, guys, yes, we did change the ends for your pleasure. And now we're gonna cut into it. Just a little slice here. Piece of this. Chefclub.tv.